Assalamu alaikum. Stop learning new things in your life. Learning new things are like having windows at home. Okay, when you know only one knowledge, that means you have got only one window at your home, and through that window, you are now able to see the whole world. Right? You have got only one window at your home to look at the world. But when you know 100 things, 100 of knowledge, that means you have got 100 windows at your home. Through these 100 windows, you are now able to see the whole world. So your way of looking is expanded. That means your perspective is expanded. You can assess any situation and circumstances very clearly. Okay. When we graduate, we think that we are done with studies. We don't need to learn anything anymore. That's why we stop learning and we do our usual things. But listen, when you are always in the journey of learning, you will never be old. You will never be, uh, you know, a boring person. You are always in a lively mood. Everyone will be uh, very enthusiastic when they will look at you because you have got a vibe of curiosity on your face. Okay, the curiosity that we uh, used to see, or the curiosity that we see uh, on the faces of children, because children are curious. So we never grow old, rather we become like children. Everyone like children because they are curious. They always want to know things. They always ask questions. You also have to have that uh, mood in yourself. Okay, be curious to learn new things, whatever you want to learn. And in the journey of learning new things, never say that something uh, is difficult for you. Never say this. There is nothing in this world what is difficult for a human being. There is nothing. There is nothing. Everyone is, a thing is achievable by human being if he give his effort, if he works hard, if he doesn't give up, if he continues his journey, although he faces obstacles. Okay, but you have to prioritize, or we have to check what is important for you and what is not important for you. Always give your effort what is important for you. And another important thing is to see big dream. You have to have big dream. Okay, do not select any, or do not choose any small little dreams. I want to be, very small person. I want to accomplish very small things. Okay, if I am able to manage a job of 30K salary, 40K salary, 50K salary, that would be enough. Okay, then I'll be super happy. I will just sleep and I will be comfortable at home. Okay, I don't need to do anything. Don't look for comfortable things. If you look for comfortable things, your life will be uncomfortable later. If you do the easy things when you have got chance in your life, your later part of your life will be very much difficult. Always choose the difficult things so that your later part of your life become easier for you. If you do the easy things, your life will be easier. If you do the hard things now, your life will be difficult. Okay, so always look for big dream. Have to have big dream in your uh, heart. So when you ask the capability of accomplishing anything or to achieve a dream, when you ask this capability from Allah, never be stingy, never be that short-sighted person who looks for little dreams. No, the person who is asking from your dream is the biggest of the biggest. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is small or big. What? He's big. He's the biggest, greatest. then why are you asking little things from the greatest entity, right? Never, never. Always look for big things from Allah. Always ask big things, big dreams from Allah. Okay? He will give you, definitely give you. So that would be my duty. The thing that I told you the very beginning. Always keep on learning new things, keep on learning hard things so that your perspective become changed, and always have a big dream in your life. Never do the easy things when you have got chance. Okay? Otherwise, your life will be difficult. If you do the hard things now, your life will be easier, inshallah.